After a year of establishing this space, from my son's playground to my dream garden oasis, this is what it looks like now. It is far from over, and I know that I have tremendous work to do. Hi, this is Forlits. Welcome to Forlits Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. In this video, I would like to share how I maintain, clean up, cuts, and reset my succulent tapestry. For today, I will be working on the half front side of my garden square only because I realized there are many things to do here. I will share the other part of it with you guys in future videos. My long-term goal is to turn this backyard space into my garden square, where I can build my small greenhouse, showcase my succulent tapestries and flowers, and position where we can do our campfire at night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.